Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel or your YouTube account to Whop. So once you're in Whop, guys, just simply click your profile on the lower left hand side, then click on the connected accounts in the middle there. And from here, you want to look for YouTube. So all you have to do is just simply click on YouTube. And from here, you want to enter your YouTube channel name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply head over to YouTube right now and just basically show you step by step how to do that. So you want to ensure that you can go to YouTube, you have a channel, of course, and then from there you can click on your profile on the upper right hand side. It's going to say view channel, especially if you already signed into your channel already. You'll have your channel link. Just simply copy that channel link, and from here all you have to do really is go back to WAP and go ahead and paste that channel link there, and just go ahead and click and add. Once you do that, guys, your channel will be linked. So as you can see right here, it says copy this verification code. Then of course it said that go to your YouTube profile, navigate to your bio or description settings, and you want to add the verification code, and then of course you want to verify it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we copy this, right? And know that we have it copied, we need to go to our profile and we want to put that in, right? So let's head over back to the channel, and of course you want to go to customize your channel. Of course, so once you view your channel with that same page, just simply click on customize. That's going to take you over there. Now you need to go to your channel bio, so you need to go ensure that you scroll down and find your channel description. Just simply paste that there, as you can see, and you can put it anywhere. Even if you have a description, it doesn't matter, just simply paste it wherever. Go ahead and publish that, and it will be now in your channel bio, right? So that's all that you have to do for that step. Now go back over, and as you can see right here, it says that next thing that you need to do is to add the verification code to that channel, right? Show that you own it. Obviously we did that, and now you want to go ahead and click and verify. Now once you do that, guys, as you can see, it is done, it's linked, and that's all. Now we have done that, all the steps are completed, and for sure our YouTube channel is linked to Discord. And that's all that we have to do, guys. And as you can see here, the YouTube channel is linked to WAP, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.